Has a debt collector sent you an envelope that says it's from a debt collector? Hi, I'm consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers, regular folks like me and you, deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In today's video, I'm going to talk about envelopes and postcards from debt collectors. Now, the law says, the FDCPA says, that a debt collector cannot send you a letter that says it's from a debt collector. They cannot say collections on the outside of the envelope. They cannot say debt collector on the outside of the envelope. They can use their initials, they can use their name, as long as their name does not suggest that they are trying to collect a debt. And a debt collector cannot use a postcard. There's a number of reasons for this. First of all, the law wants to keep your private matters private. They don't want the postman or somebody who picks up your mail or somebody who sees your mail to know it's from a debt collector. It can be intimidating, embarrassing, and harassing to get this type of mail. And a postcard. What would a debt collector put on a postcard? You owe a debt. You owe this amount of a debt. You need to pay us right away. Well, that discloses your private business to the entire world. And that's not fair. And it's against the law. So, if you get a letter from a debt collector, look at the outside of it. Does the outside say collections or past due amounts or we're collecting a debt? Anything that suggests the purpose of the letter is to collect a debt is a violation of the law. Now, I mentioned the FDCPA, and that's the law that protects consumers from this type of behavior. The FDCPA says you can get your actual damages, statutory damages up to $1,000, your attorney's fees, and your costs paid by a debt collector who violates the law. Now, most debt collectors are smart enough not to do this, but I have seen these cases before. It still does happen. So, if a debt collector is harassing you by sending you postcards or letters that say that you owe a debt or it's from an actual debt collection outfit, then give me a call. My number's at the end of this video and it's in the description below. I'm ready to turn the tables on this debt collector for you. I'm in your corner. Now, the FDCPA says that you can recover your attorney's fees and costs. That means that no FDCPA attorney should charge you any money to work on your case. They will get paid at the end of the case. I offer free case evaluation. I'm happy to look over any documents that you've got to support your case and let you know if you've got a case. Again, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.